Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And today a lot of stock which given you the opportunity. So like RAC, PFC, that was a great move. And Canfin, Home, GMR Infra, Glenmark, ICICI Prudential. So these are all the stocks which given you today's opportunity. And based on the our Google Sheet scanner, so a lot of stocks which given you good opportunity after our live session ends and put side as well as call side. So these are all the things which I'm going to discuss in this video, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel and let me discuss about the stocks which is given you some good opportunity based on our stock option live scanner or a stock live scanner with our Google Sheet. We find out some breakout opportunity easily to get more some trading ideas which we are finding out based on our scanner. And today we are in a live session. We find out this Bank Nifty options, and we find out two breakouts around 523 and 572. So initially it was a range bound up to our live session ends. After that it given you such a good breakout, and finally it moves to 623. So almost 100 point after that breakout from 523 it reaching towards almost 625. So 100 points move from that, and after that we got a reversal and finally closed nearby the same level of 515. And one more stock which we are looking for, IDFC First Bank, that's given you the good opportunity from 2 rupees, and it reaching towards 2.7, and the lot size is very big. And Canara Bank, initially I'm looking out for breakout in a put side, but 9.9, but EV got a call breakout around 9.4 around nearby 1 o'clock. So from that it went up to 13 plus. This is what analysis which I have done. And HAL we are focusing for initially around 95, and it went up to 102, then returned back and sudden down. And LNT, it is moving towards the 60 near about 59.8, and finally it is closed with 48. So I have already suggested you that weekly trade we are going to focus for a positional basis, and here is the week, the physical delivery and also high margin required for this in the money trade option trades. So that is why we are not focusing on many trades, but as per our sheet and testing basis, we have a lot of stocks like PFC 161.5. We've seen around I think weekly is around 4.9. So we have seen around 920, 925. It was on the same level. After that also it's given you the retracement in 161. So that was a great move. 161.65 PFC. I think REC. PFC is about 227. Okay, so let me go for REC. How that REC limited 161.5. So initially it started with around 5.7 and closed by 5.75. We have seen that it is a after breakout, and finally it given you the first 15 minutes breakout over and above 6 rupees, and reaching to the peak of almost 13.8. Such a good move, but we have to pay higher margin. That is the main reason we are not focusing. But after that our live session ends, and after that it is the first week of the day, we have a lot of fresh breakouts, and ICICI Prudential and Glenmark is a clear fresh breakout, because on Canfin Home also someone were discussing in the morning around 25,840 call option Canfin Home. That is also such a good breakout, and our entry point should be around 25.3. Initially it went up to 42. So that is what the first 15 minutes, sorry, initially it went to 42. Look at this, after that it reaching towards a 55. It is happening on the first 15 minutes. We are not going to take, because it is from 25 it went higher. I thought it is not a Canfin Home. I think Glenmark 755. So Glenmark 755. We are rejecting the stock which is moving more than in the first 15 minutes. So look at this, started with 14 in the first 15 minutes. 20 is our entry point. So we got a 20 is triggered on the second 15 minutes around 9:30 to 9:40, and after that it was in the same range. From that level it went up to 30 to 38. So that is another one more opportunity. And monthly positional, we have a lot of stock which triggers based on the scanner, and we find out almost 20 plus stocks as of now, and many trades which is already triggered our target. And even Jindal still we seen around 590. From 37 it went up to 57 plus, and now it is returned back to the same entry point. So these are all the ITC also targeted trade previously 455. almost 34 plus it went higher. Now it is on the lower levels. Apart from this, monthly trades more than 25 stocks, which triggers our target, and it is a tool to find the stocks opportunity. So look at this in the morning. If you have seen, these are all the stocks will be not there, and after that it gradually updating the stock which is moving. But I was seeing the PFC, RAC, and some other stock, GMR Infra. These are all the stocks which is trading in the top. By the opening itself, the stocks are triggered. So even GMR 44 call option. So look at this. In the initial, it is around 1.7. So our entry point is around 1.3, but it was moving greater than on the first 15 minutes. But after that, it went to reaching towards the 2.7. That's a good move on this particular strike price. And Balram Chini will be there, and Colpor. So by using the scanner, we have to find out a quality and liquid stock. So not to take all the stocks. In week, one or two stocks is good enough to make such a big profit. In today, ITC in downside, Biocon, McDowell, we've seen that. And these are all the stocks which we are looking for a downside. That has given you such a good opportunity. I think maybe the down in ITC initially in the month. So last week it's given a call option, and this week 492.5, the same strike price which given you based on this Google Sheet scanner. Look at this. Initially it was not given you the opportunity, but this is a sudden move around 215 from 5 rupees. In the same time it went up to 20 rupees. Maybe 11.6 is our entry point, but maybe the chances to get or may not. So such a trade also be possible by using our system, but only quality and liquid stocks which can be created and which can be find out. And monthly positioner also we have a lot of stocks. And look at the Polycap. It's a huge move. Polycap almost 1200, 1100. And today these are all the early opportunity we see in ACC and something like Glenmark and SBI Life, which came after sometimes later 1290. And this is what a study purpose. I am doing some analysis on my strategy, and this is I'm just uploading and updating for intraday opportunity finder. And right now it is working based on the weekly. And today we find out this stocks has given you such a good opportunity. From that list, one or two, if we find out a fresh breakout, that may be a good opportunity. So maybe in this week we will even test more. And once this is giving you some opportunities and working better, means we can live it on also. Okay, as of now, so a lot of entries per day. So maybe these are all the stocks which given you the entry opportunities. Okay, so if you find any code, then we can go for it. And one more thing, so we find out these are all the stocks. In intraday itself, we get a quick benefit, and today Bank Nifty we are looking for. And this strike price also we are looking for here at this moment 533, and it went up to 644 around 12 o'clock. Initially we are marking this level, correct? So I think here we are marking, and it was broken around 530. It went up to 700 and sorry, the previous one. So where it is today here, I think it was given you and it triggers. Okay, so doji, and after that it was started moving down. So Bank Nifty also we are looking for, that was working well. And IDFC that given you good opportunity. In live session we are finding out. So if you want to join my live session, so we are doing a daily live session on this channel, and if you wish to join that, so free to join, and the link will be available, and you need to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the live notification. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. These are all the opportunities we find out today based on our scanner. Thank you.